Hi guys, Carl here with a new video from our series Carl and Jan Out and About. Okay, Jan and I will be out and about somewhere in Germany and we will be taking a look at some of the sites, points of interest and things you can do. At the same time, we will concentrate on a specific grammar point, but not in detail. For that, we have our classic online lessons for those of you who wish to delve deeper, and we'll give you a link at the end of the videos so you can visit the site. We will also be introducing new vocabulary, and a list of this new vocabulary will be given at the end of each video. Okay guys, I would say, without further ado, let's go to our port of call for today, and today we are in Okay guys, look forward to seeing you in a moment. See you then. Good morning! So where are we today? Are we in London? No, we are not. Today we are in Hanover. To be exact, das neue Rathaus. New City Hall. Some facts about the new City Hall. The Lord Mayor of Hanover is called Belit Onay. I hope I pronounced that correctly. It was opened on July the 20th, 1913. Construction time was 12 years. It is a castle-like building, as you can see, of the era of William II, for all you historians out there. The building itself is situated in and at the Mash Park. And if you'd like to follow me, we'll go and have a look. It's beautiful. Come with me. So people, the Mash Park, as you just saw, the new town hall, and this is the Mash Park, okay? It is a beautiful place, honestly. Come down here, have a look, go for a walk, feed the ducks, annoy the pigeons, whatever you wish to do. Two more facts about the building itself. It cost, at the time, 11 million marks. I think for 11 million marks today, you cannot even buy a small tower. Yeah, and it is the main administration building of Hanover. Okay, there are one or two things I would like to show you. So if you'd like to follow me, yeah, we'll have a look. Hi guys, yeah, not so loud. As you can see here, there's a couple of swans. They are nesting here, and it's all fenced off. The reason that it is fenced off is because some idiots a couple of years ago attacked and killed the swans. They killed one of the swans. I believe it was the female swan, and since then it's fenced off, which is good. Okay, so have a look. Beautiful. So here, guys, the Mash Park Bridge Very favoured spot for people who are a little bit romantic. The bridge itself was built in the 19th century. Yeah, if you'd like to follow me, we'll take a look at some more things. Come on. Yes guys, so now that was Carl and Jan out and about in Hanover, to be exact, in the Mash Park and at the new Rathaus, or new City Hall. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, yeah, give us a like, thumbs up, whatever. And yeah, tune in next time for one of our other videos from Carl and Jan out and about. And now, Jan and I are going to go for a coffee. See you later guys. Bye. Jan, come on, coffee.
Yes, I come.
Jan, come along.
I get it.